डे 3, डिफरेंट डे डिफरेंट बीच। कल के वीडियो को बनाने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। इट्स बिन अ लॉन्ग टाइम दैट आई वांटेड टू शेयर द मिस्टेक्स और द थिंग्स दैट आई लर्नड इन माय जर्नी। आई एम गोइंग टू बी शेयरिंग अ लॉट मोर ऑफ दीज। अभी तो शुरुआत है, अभी तो डे 3 है, आगे आगे देखते हैं। फन फैक्ट, ये मेरे पीछे वाला जो डब्बा है जो यहाँ ख़त्म होता है, शुरू होते ही ख़त्म हो जाता है, ये डब्बा ऑन दिस बीच, ये एग्जैक्ट डब्बा, लिटरली डब्बा, आई एम नॉट, आई विल शो यू अराउंड। ये डब्बा 6 करोड़ का है। ये डब्बा, ये डब्बा, वेट, यहां शुरू होता है, यहां खत्म हो जाता है। इट्स लिटरली जस्ट दिस। आई गो अराउंड। इट्स नॉट लाइक उसके पीछे और कुछ है। ये डब्बा 6 करोड़ रुपए का। व्यू ये है उसकी वजह से, लाइक डब्बे से निकलो, जाके डूब मरो, बिकॉज यू जस्ट स्पेंड 6 करोड़ ऑन दिस। एज आई सेड, वेलकम टू डे 3। आज थोड़ा रिलैक्स रहने वाला है। बाय द वे, इफ़ यू ऑल डोंट नो, आज ग्लोबल ई स्पोर्ट्स की ईयर एंडिंग पार्टी हो रही है खार सोशल में इन मुंबई 8 PM ऑनवर्ड्स। हमारी VCD टीम होने वाली है, सो यू कैन डू मीट एंड ग्रीट देयर। बाकी के सारे लोग होने वाले हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं हो पाऊंगा बिकॉज आई एम here, but बाकी के सारे लोग होंगे। Also, it's going to be a view party for the VCD Game Changers finals जो हो रहा है साओ पालो में, where the best of the best are going up against each other. Shopify Rebellion versus Team Liquid. तो अगर आप मुंबई में हो and you haven't gone to car social and checked out, क्या करें? जाओ, अभी भी टाइम है आपके पास। 8 PM onwards car social tonight. Anyway, आज के वीडियो के लिए मैंने थोड़ा सा हल्का सा चीटिंग किया है। मैंने ट्विटर पे एक AMA कर दिया है, so I'm just going to be picking questions from there. क्या करें, कभी कभी कंटेंट की कमी मिल जाती है, तो इसीलिए आप लोग थोड़ा ट्विटर AMA से ही काम चला लेते हैं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू पिक अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। आई एम गोइंग टू पिक 5 questions from here which I'm going to answer, and that's going to be today's first from Esports Amaze. By the way, Esports Amaze, shout out to you. Insane. If you all don't follow, he's the guy that you go to for all updates. Like I go to for all updates, स्कोर के लिए, सब के लिए। वो ऑफिशियल स्क्रीन पे आने से पहले ही सारे स्कोर्स मिल जाते हैं। सो इफ यू डोंट ऑलरेडी, Esports Amaze, गुड जॉब मैन। योर टॉप 5 esports titles for India which have potential to become a commercial success. Right now, I think it's Valorant and BGMI. In India, as of right now, तो और अभी नहीं है। Internationally, there are quite a few other titles like Apex Legends was doing really well. Rocket League has been very consistent. In some regions, Rainbow Six Siege अच्छा चल रहा है. Of course, MLBB, which is Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, has been doing really well outside India. India में तो banned है. And League of Legends तो है ही, but again, all of these are not as prominent in India. So for India right now, I would say only BGMI and Valorant are worth focusing on as of right now. That might change in the future. We'll find out. You'll see there's a connection. इसलिए हमारे पास सिर्फ वो 2 teams. Anyway, you get the point. Next question comes from Jojo. Jojo Robs, by the way, I believe you have a match coming up. All the best. What you have built from scratch is commendable, but how did you get the motivation to work on it? Self motivation loss होने पर क्या करते हो? Bro, this is a question people have been asking me for a long time, even when I was in med school. जब मैं स्कूल में था, motivation कहाँ से आता है? I believe in life, you have to find a way to motivate yourself. It's going to be very difficult if you're relying on external source motivation के लिए, because you're always going to struggle. इसीलिए आप अगर मेरे Instagram पे देखोगे, मैं रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ मोटिवेशनल या पॉजिटिव चीज़ें शेयर करते रहता हूँ. That's more for me than anyone else. I use that to pump myself up. Like I wake up in the morning, I'm like, bro, आज कुछ भी करके you have to kill it. Like you have to be better than everyone else. You have to learn more than everyone else. You have to go harder than everyone else. And I have to do this consistently every single day. Like रोज सुबह उठते I can't get up in the morning and be like, अरे यार आज क्यों काम पे जाना है, आज ये क्यों करना है? Because the day I do that, immediately everyone around me will start doing that. And I have realized negativity spreads a lot faster than positivity. So I have to be there. Even if someone else comes into the guild house and उनका चेहरा उतरा हुआ है, मैं बोलता भाई स्माइल कर, क्या हुआ? It doesn't matter why your mood is off. Force yourself into positivity and let that be. Like start your day with a bang. If you have a video that motivates you, like there are a few videos, for example, Do What You Can't by Casey Neistat. That's a video that really motivates me. Start your day with something that motivates you. Find a video or a song or something that pumps you up. But first thing in the morning, utte, that is the most important thing. If you can't motivate yourself, no one can. Most of the gaming orgs in India sign streamers and not creators. Why? And is G looking forward to signing any big creator in the coming future? Look, it really depends on individual orgs. Some people do it because they believe they'll get them more exposure. We had done it in the past initially when GE had started और हमने देखा कि उसका ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है नहीं. Like कोई creator या streamer को salary पे ला के उनको I have realized as soon as you give salary to a creator, the creators stop creating. I have seen this. I may be wrong and this doesn't apply blanket to all creators, but as a generalized rule, creators get extremely lazy when they get a salary. The most motivated creators find ways to create income for themselves, and those creators do insanely well, way more than salary. Like creators are the one that give salary. If you see creators like Disguised Toast and Ludwig and Moist Critical and other creators across the world, if you see Soul for an example, creators that do well for themselves don't need a salary. They start giving salary to people. They start hiring people, either editors, cinematographers, graphic designers, esports athletes. Creators hire karte hain. So why should we go and hire creators? I believe there will come a day when a creator will want to go and hire other people, and that's already happening throughout, which is why I believe creator ko, it's like, imagine if you started giving a salary to an entrepreneur to build a company. Not gonna happen, bro. Not gonna happen. हाँ, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है अबाउट द मर्च एंड जर्सी. ओके, कोई सुन नहीं रहा ना. टॉप सीक्रेट, मैं अभी लीक बता रहा हूँ. दिस मंथ, इन द मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर, वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ वेरी लिमिटेड ड्रॉप ऑफ आवर legacy global esports jersey as well as the t-shirt that we have. It's not just a game, it's an emotion. Limited release, one time only, just this month. It'll be available online. I don't want to give the link now because we're still working on the website, but the website is going to be gefighting.com and shop.globalesports.com. ये दो हमारे primary links होने वाले हैं. By the time Convergence comes around, you'll be able to buy them. So be sure you check it out तभी. How is the team performing right now? हमारी VCT team and BGMI team का मैं दोनों का update देते था. As of right now, as of this very moment, our BGMI team is doing really well. I think we're 15th overall out of 96 teams in BMPS. Of course, हमारी 10 games हो चुकी है और बाकी red group में 2-3 और games थोड़े बाकी है. But I think if we get the next 5 games right, the chances of us qualifying to LAN are really, really good. I am confident in the team and I am really, really proud of what they have done so far. I am waiting for my team to qualify to LAN so that we can absolutely crush it. You'll see something really epic. But पहले LAN के लिए qualify हो जाए. On the VCT front, scrims have been going well. I don't like judging a team based on scrim results because scrims are to try out new things. We'll only find out once the team starts competing how it is going, and you'll find out. Well, we are to tracking their progress, so we know exactly what's going to happen. But you guys will find out when you see them compete. Also, Convergence में आप लोग के लिए एक छोटा सा surprise है. What is your motivation towards burning so much money in esports? पागलपन बोल दो bro. But I'll tell you what, Global Esports has been extremely smart about how we spend our money. हम लोग अंधाधुंध पैसे नहीं जलाते हैं. We have been very clear about that, which is why we've never overpaid in salaries, which is why we've never overspent. We have come in with the process कि hey, we have to run this like a business, which is also why all throughout the ban period we were giving salary to our players. Even after, as long as someone is under my roof, under Global Esports' roof, I have ensured that they have got paid no matter what. They have got their dues, and that is my responsibility. When we get someone on board, that is our responsibility. इसलिए हम लोग अंधाधुन ऐसे लोगों को hire करते भी नहीं है कि बाद में उनको निकालना पड़े because we can't afford to keep them. We have been very particular about this from a long time. And of course, जब से we've gotten into VCT, our commercials have completely changed. And thanks to Riot now, this year we are going to see probably the best balance sheet that Global Esports has ever seen, or any Indian esports org has ever seen in the history of esports in India. So shout out to Riot Games for that. मैं इसके बारे में थोड़े और details future video में दूंगा, but that's the current scenario. We are in a very comfortable and happy position thanks to Riot Games. एक last bonus question. What are your expectations from this current VCT roster for 2024? And in case things don't go well, like they did for the 2023 season, what can we expect? This much I can assure you, our 2024 season is going to be way better than our 2023 in every aspect, not just competitively, in every aspect, especially competitively, but in every aspect. Just ये मेरे बोल के कुछ फायदा नहीं है, अगले सीजन आप देख लोगे. Our season starts in Feb, guys. You'll get a glimpse of it at Convergence, and in Feb you will really see. Once the team goes to Korea, practice शुरू हो जाए, हमारा boot camp setup हो जाए, this season is going to be really epic. We have a fun plan for 2024. You'll find out soon enough.